Also, you guys, oh my god, it's so hot out right now, and I don't have my fan on because that would interrupt the audio, so really suffering for my art right now. Hi guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. So today, basically I'm going to be showing you guys a super easy makeup tutorial for the summer. You're going to get that glow, get that highlight without spending $1 million. You still want to look cute, want to look presentable, but you also don't have the skills of all those beauty gurus out there. I get you. I'm the same way. But yeah, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some really awesome tips of how, first of all, to get expensive makeup for cheaper, and also some awesome dupes that, you know, will make you look flawless, some life hacks, if you will, for the makeup realm and looking like a snack without spending $1 million. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel. That would be pretty amazing. Okay, the first thing that I usually do in summer, which is so important, is sunscreen. And it's like, oh, that was dripping onto my bed. It looks really weird, I know. But whenever I use it, I feel like those Instagram makeup artists who have all those like all of their products are in one of those like weird like drip bottles. Any kind of sunscreen that you like to use, just make sure that it's lightweight and won't irritate your skin, because we ain't about that life. Next, I'm going to take my favorite concealer, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It is so good, but in the summer I like to go really light and I just use concealer. And don't be alarmed, but I'm going to use my fingers. Now that I look a little bit less sunburned, that's good. But as far as money saving stuff for this goes, honestly, the drugstore is your friend. There are so many affordable dupes and all that kind of stuff for really expensive makeup. You honestly do not need expensive makeup, and all these beauty gurus are out here with their $120 foundation. You don't need that. The next thing we're going to do, which is one of my favorite summer makeup steps, is definitely contour. So I'm using the Maybelline Master Contour kit, but oh my god, it's getting so overexposed. I'm so sorry. I'm not using my good camera right now because I don't have the patience to set it up on a tripod. But I just put my contour in a 3 shape. So the 3 starts at the top of your forehead, inside of your cheek, and underneath your jaw. Next, we're going to get to the product that I am so excited for. Then you might be thinking to yourself, isn't this supposed to be an affordable tutorial? These palettes are $50. My tip with this product, or any high-end product, is look for it in places that you wouldn't usually go, if that makes sense. But for example, for this palette, I've wanted it forever and never gotten it because it is $50, which is ridiculous to me. But I was at my local TJ Maxx the other day and I saw this palette for $25. Yeah, that's literally 50% off. But yeah, you might find a gem like this in somewhere you didn't expect. We're gonna do my brows, and yes, I know I have the world's most interesting brow situation. Your girl is not an eyebrow artist. I use a combination of the shade Mousse and Truffled, which are just two, kind of different brown tones, and I'm just using a small brush. And yes, my brows do look like 2 little disheveled caterpillars, but they're a tiny bit less disheveled than before, so we're gonna go with it. Let's get on to the eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow. I'm just that kind of person, and I freaking love this palette. It smells like chocolate and it makes me happy. I just flat eyeshadow brush. So for my base shade, I'm just going to use my favorite color, which is called Butter Pecan. I think I'm gonna use the shade Nougat, but it's just this matte taupe kind of color. I'm just gonna lightly put this in my crease. Now we're gonna do mascara with this little guy. My next little tip, which has to do with this little baby mascara right here, is get samples. If you buy a bunch of stuff on Sephora, I know you can get samples with your purchase. Go to department stores, sometimes they have samples. Comment below if you also make weird faces while putting on makeup. I definitely do. Next is my favorite product, probably many people's favorite product. It is a highlighter, which is the ultimate summer beauty product. It is amazing. It will completely change your look. I love it. Anyway, this product brings me to my next money-saving makeup tip, and that is to try a subscription service. There are a ton of them. Currently the one that I'm subscribed to is called Ipsy. You get a bag with 5 products every month, and it is only $10 for one bag, and the value of the item can be really high. So for example, this is a Luna by Luna highlighter, which is my absolute favorite thing ever right now, and I got it in my Ipsy bag. It's worth $25, and it came in a bag of 5. Then this was $2. $2 for a $25 product. I like to put highlight on my cheekbone. Oh my god, it's in my eye. Everything's fine. A little bit on my nose. Just on my Cupid's bow. I don't like to highlight with eyeshadow just because it doesn't really have the same effect. But I just put it under my brow bone, my inner corner. And this just brightens up your eyes and makes you seem so much more awake, and I just think it is so pretty. Last but not least, setting spray. I suggest getting setting spray because it keeps everything in place, and even if the rest of your makeup, you know, isn't performing the best and like coming off or sweating off or whatever, this will keep it in place. So it's just kind of like containing everything. It is refreshing, but I don't know, I just don't like spraying myself in the face. You are finished. This is a super easy and quick makeup look, which I think is so perfect for the summer. Got that glow going on, you know, not too much, not too crazy, but simple and pretty, and I just really like it. But yeah, if you guys like this look or this video, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. I will love you forever, actually, so please. See you guys later. Bye!